Namaste and good morning. Thank you for taking this time to begin your day with a practice of gratitude. Find a comfortable position to sit and close your eyes whenever you are ready to begin your practice. Continue to breathe naturally while noticing the pattern of your breath. Watch how are you breathing at this moment. Is your breath fast or slow, deep or shallow? Whatever it is, just watch it as it is for a few moments. Let's prepare to welcome the day with a sense of appreciation and gratitude. Now let's begin our practice with some conscious breathing. Take a deep inhalation, and as you do, feel the air filling your body with energy and light. Exhale completely and slowly to release any negativity or worries you may be holding on to. Continue to breathe consciously while taking deep breaths when you inhale and complete exhalation with releasing all the negativity. With each breath in, allow yourself to feel more energized, and with each exhalation, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and centered. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your body becoming lighter and your mind becoming clearer with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, let's begin to shift our focus towards gratitude. Let us begin to understand that the whole universe is collaborating with you to give you the life you deserve. Bring your awareness to your body. Start by feeling the ground beneath you. Feel how it supports you, steady and strong. Move your attention throughout your body, from your feet all the way to the top of your head. And as you scan through each part of the body, silently thank it for all it does for you. Appreciate your feet for carrying you, your hands for the work they do, your heart for beating steadily. Likewise, acknowledge each part of you, each part of the body, and offering gratitude for its role in your life. Now, Bring to mind 3 things you are grateful for today. These could be simple things like the warmth of your bed, the sound of birds chirping outside, or the peaceful silence of the morning. With each thing that comes to your mind, take a moment to really feel the gratitude in your heart. Imagine that feeling spreading throughout your body, filling you with warmth and peace. Think of the first thing in your mind you're grateful for. Hold the thought and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your gratitude growing. Now think of the second thing you're grateful for. Feel the joy it brings you and allow that joy to expand with your next breath. Finally, bring to mind the third thing you're grateful for. Let this feeling of appreciation fill in your entire being. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, send that gratitude out in every cell of your body and through your body out in the world. Now we're going to set the intention for the rest of the day. As you sit with this feeling of gratitude, let's set an intention for the day ahead. Bring this awareness to the mind. What kind of day do you want to create? Perhaps you want to carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day, allowing it to influence your thoughts, actions, and interactions with others. Take a moment to visualize your day unfolding with ease and grace. In your mind, see this picture. See yourself moving through your day with a calm and a grateful heart. See yourself responding to situations with kindness and patience. Hold this intention in your mind and heart. Know that you can return to this feeling of gratitude at any time of the day, simply by bringing your awareness to your breath. The breath that gives you life, the breath that gives you opportunity, the breath which brings awareness of this present moment. Shift your awareness back to your breath, the breath which is flowing naturally, and notice the natural ingoing and outgoing flow of your breath. Notice the present moment flowing through you, flowing through your breath in this moment. Now become aware of your 5 senses: the taste in your mouth, the smell around you, the sounds you can hear, the body temperature, the temperature of the room. Even though your eyes are closed, what do you see? With this awareness, let's allow ourselves to come out of the practice by wiggling your toes, moving your fingers. You can join your palms together, rub your palms together, generate some heat and warmth. Place your palms over your eyes, feel the warmth and heat on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and bring your hands down. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of gratitude and peace with you as you move into your day. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. Have a beautiful day filled with gratitude and joy. Om Shanti.